All right, we're ready. We're going to take the repository that's currently on GitHub. We're going to put that onto our local computer. To do that, we had to make certain right location to put it. So let me see where I'm at. I am at my home directory, and I know that I'd like to go into my Bloom repos directory to have one folder that's holding on to this. So I'm going to move into my Bloom repos folder. And at the moment, there's no files in this Bloom repos folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone the GitHub repository, this whole repository, right into my computer. To do that, you're going to type in git and then clone. Get clone is the command that says clone a particular link. I'm going to grab the link from my repository. I have it in a different window here. And the way to get your link on GitHub is to look at the top of your actual repository and look for the big green code button. Big green code button, then you can click inside which type of way are you cloning it. Are you cloning it with SSH or a personal access token? This depends on the type of authentication you use. So if you use SSH, you're going to clone it with this link right here. If you use the personal access token, you're going to clone it with this link right here. I personally used a personal access token, so I'm going to go ahead and clone it with the HTTPS version of it. So I'm going to click copy. And I'm going to go right back to my terminal. I'm going to paste it in. Now, pasting is a little bit unique. Command lines are different. Each one of them is a little bit different. If you're on a Mac, Control V, the standard copy and paste, Control V is perfectly valid. But if you're on a Windows machine, Control V is going to be a weird little symbol. It's not going to help. So in a Windows machine, I believe it is Shift Insert that you want to hit together. Or, it's so hard to memorize those things. Or the opposite option is just to get clone, and then go ahead and right-click your screen and say paste. That'll work in both Windows and Mac. So if you're not the type of person who knows your shortcuts very well, that's perfectly valid. Use it, paste it in, hit enter, and it should do some cloning. And ultimately, what we're trying to do here is make certain it actually is there. So this just hopefully grabbed this repository. It's not a large repository. So I'm going to hit ls and see. There it is. There's my orientation get. And mine was called Mirror Mapper on the end. Yours may not be.